I know where we are.
I apologize for my humble abode. I've just changed locations. I was previously in Romania jail. We're new home, Luke. Where we live. Not the globe hose yet. We have got the globe. And I do know some hoes. So if you leave it with me, come on. I'm not. Fucking hate my lost my life. And this is the new podcast. Cameras here. Johnny works for me. Works for me. Latest producer. My bedroom. This is my wardrobe. You know, nice. I'm flashing clothes. I'm all my sense of time to watch it. I'll be fucking with that. Nice. Bathroom, bedroom. Make the bed. Hey, look what happens when I try to keep my curtain. I'm actually open. Watch this. That's cool. Totally worth $20 million. So I mean, I need an interior designer. What's going to go there? Some organs? No. Coffee?
Take it all too far, stumbling through the dark, tripping to the stars. I know you want the dreams to come to life. I know just what you like, don't be surprised. I can read your mind.